you interested in quickly making money online this year worldwide? Well, you have come to the right place. I have discovered a simple task for you, solving CAPTCHAs. And guess what? You will be paid for each CAPTCHA that you solve. This is not any side gig. This is one of the new and high-paying gigs available in 2024. If you are excited to boost your earnings and take control of your finances, stick around until the end of this video as we explore such websites. If you want to stay updated on new online money-making methods, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's start with our first website. It is called CAPTCHA.com. This website is accessible through its website and app. While it may not offer high payouts, don't worry, I will introduce you to other platforms shortly. Let's rank various platforms based on their payment ratings, starting with CAPTCHA.com. Here you can earn money by solving CAPTCHA puzzles, starting at $1 for every 1,000 puzzles you solve. Many companies rely on computers for tasks, but they struggle with CAPTCHAs, hence the need for human assistance. In return for your help, they will compensate you, and getting started on this website is incredibly simple. You don't need any prior experience or specialized skills. To start making money with this website, simply click Work for Us button and fill in your information. You will find clear instructions on how to start earning money without investment. You can earn between 20 to 80 cents per hour for solving CAPTCHAs, with the flexibility to cash out your earnings once you have accumulated 50 cents, which is easily achievable after completing your initial CAPTCHA challenge. You can cash out with payment systems like Web Money, Perfect Money, Payeer, cryptocurrency, and others. They also have AI bots that will help you in solving CAPTCHAs so that you can solve as many as you can. If you are enjoying this video so far, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. The second website is called jumptask.io. On this website, they say that if you are interested in making extra cash online by solving CAPTCHAs, this will be the perfect opportunity and perfect website for you. Not only will they pay you for solving CAPTCHAs, but they have other ways to making money online. For example, playing games, taking surveys, and others. They have over 3,500 offers available right now, including solving CAPTCHAs. You can make money by simply watching YouTube videos or downloading apps. For example, here it says you can earn 51 cents for sharing your opinion, you can earn 95 cents for downloading Honeygain, or you can earn 7 cents for watching YouTube videos, or also here where it says you can follow specific people for 4 cents. And here it shows their latest rewards that they paid out. So not only are you going to solve CAPTCHAs, but you can make money by doing other simple tasks. The last platform that will give you money for solving CAPTCHAs is an app called Captchas Tech. This app is available on Android and Apple. This app will give you entry jobs for solving CAPTCHAs. When we scroll down, we can see what the app is about. It says this is a CAPTCHA typing work app for online jobs, and you will get rewarded by completing online simple tasks like CAPTCHA entry, offer walls, survey, and referring your friends. When you scroll down, you can see the reviews of this app, and almost all the reviews are positive. And that's it. Those are the websites and apps that will give you money for solving CAPTCHAs. If you learned something new and enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and send it to your family and friends.